to configure app configuration policy for iOS and iPadOS platforms. And we will be creating the same for Outlook, for Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and Microsoft Edge. But the platform would be iPad, iOS apps. So for that as well, we are coming here to configuration, create, and I'm creating it for manage devices. Let's put the name here. iOS devices. And I'm creating this one for Outlook. Most probably it would be the same configuration stuff. Platform, I'm selecting iOS and select the application Microsoft Outlook. Next, selecting use configuration designer. And here it's the same email account configuration, yes, authentication type, module authentication, username is user principal name, email address, primary SMTP address, allow only work or school account. So I'm just eliminating this one. Well, allow only work or school accounts. I'm disabling this one because the user will be able to use their personal one as well. General app configuration, focused app will, I'm not enabling this one. Required biometric to access off. Save contacts, yes. Allow user to change, okay. Discover feed, I'm not going to configure. Suggested replies, external recipient, yes. Default, no. Black external images, yes. Organize mail, no. Play, no. Dims, enable, no. Text direction, no. Additional configuration, okay, so all these are configured, and this one is for the accounts. It means the account will be automatically configured with this application. Intune name allow can only disable. And then we are selecting Outlook S or MIME settings. So I'm going to enable this one, allow user, okay, encrypt, yes. Sign all emails, no, no, and then I'm going to next. Assign, I will be assigning to the same users. And then next, create. So we have successfully created this iOS configuration app policy for Outlook. I'm going to collect the same for Teams. Platform iOS, selecting Microsoft Teams, okay. Next. And I'm going to select configuration. Well, for Microsoft, not for Microsoft, but for iOS app configuration policy, when you're creating, you need to put the configuration key, value type, and configuration value, and you can find this information from Microsoft documentation. I have already found this one in here. So this is the value that we need to put it for the account. Just put in here this one, string, and the string would be this one. It means this application, the account will be automatically configured for this application. Next, and I'm going to assign the group here. Intune user, select next, next, and that's done. The same for Microsoft Edge. Platform iOS, select up, Microsoft Edge, okay, and next. So we will be going through the same configuration here as well. Next, add groups. Now I'm going to create for OneDrive. OneDrive, okay, next. Application Designer. Next, assigning the group now. And create. So we have created a configuration for iOS, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and Microsoft Edge, the same way that we have created for Android. Yep, so we have successfully created all the configuration, all the app configuration policy for Android and iOS devices.